How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to make the keyboard bigger on Samsung. So if you have trouble reading the keyboard, then this is a good feature to use. Open up the settings, scroll down until you find the general management section, and then select your default keyboard. So for me it'll be the Samsung keyboard settings. From here you want to scroll down and find size and transparency, and then within this menu you can drag the keyboard up and make it bigger. So use the blue bit in the middle, and then with your finger just drag it up, and then once you're happy with it you can press done. And now we'll come into our notes to check the size of the keyboard. So yeah, that's how to make a keyboard bigger on Samsung. Thank you for watching.